Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video lecture, we are going to answer questions from time chapter Keith Williams. Okay, so this will be the third video lecture. In the previous two lectures, I have solved the first 20 questions. In this, I will solve the next 10 questions. Question 21, simple. On 27th Feb at 52 South 34 degree West, sunrise happens at 0743 UTC. Same day, at some other longitude 43 east, what will be the sunrise time? So there are two longitudes, 34 west, and the second one is 40 east. 40 east, right? The difference between these two longitudes is 34 plus 40, that is 74 degrees. Different hemispheres add. So 34 plus 40, 74 degrees. Now 40 degree east longitude is to the east of 34 degree west longitude. Eastern longitudes are ahead in time compared to their west longitudes. Compared to their west longitudes. Therefore, sunrise time at 40 degree east longitude will happen before sunrise at 34 west longitude. Therefore, now what is the sunrise time at 34 west longitude? It is equal to 0743 UTC. 0743 UTC. So sunrise time at 40 degree east longitude will be equal to sunrise at 34 west longitude minus the time difference between them. Why minus? Because sunrise at 40 east will happen before sunrise at 34 west. So this is equal to 0743 minus. Now the longitude difference is 74 degree. This translates to a time difference of 74 degree divided by 15, that is equal to 4 hours 56 minutes. 4 hours 56 minutes. So subtract this. So 7 hours 43 minus 4 hours 56 is 2 hours 47 minutes. 2 hours 47 minutes. Okay. So sunrise at 40 east is equal to 2 hours 47 minutes UTC. Convert this into LMT. How will you do it? So again, you will have to select two longitudes, one for UTC prime meridian and the second for 40 east longitude. Now the D long between them is 40 degrees. So time difference between prime meridian and 40 east longitude will be 40 divided by 15, 2 hours 40 minutes. 2 hours 40 minutes. Okay. So local mean time at 40 degree east longitude will be ahead of UTC time or prime meridian time because 40 east is to the east of prime meridian. So UTC plus D long divided by 15, that is your time difference. So now LMT will be equal to UTC 0247 plus 0240, that is 5 hours 27 minutes LMT time. 5 hours 27 minutes LMT or 0247 UTC, either. Which is the highest latitude listed below at which the sun will rise above the horizon and set below it every day? So that latitude is 66° latitude. Now let's say this is your earth, this is the equator, 0° equator, and this is 23.5 south, 23.5 north. Now when the sun is over the equator, over tropic of Cancer, that is 23.5 north latitude, there will be summers, in the northern hemisphere and winters in the southern hemisphere. Now 23.5° north latitude is that highest latitude or maximum latitude at which the sun will be directly above the observer. So let's say if this is your observer on the ground, the sun will be directly situated overhead, at 90 degrees. The horizon is here and the angle between the sun and the horizon will be 90 degree. We call this altitude 90 degree. Now as latitude increases, the sun will not be directly overhead the observer. Okay, because this is the maximum latitude at which the sun will be overhead. As you go higher and higher up the latitudes towards the North Pole, the summer season will increase in duration. Meaning there will be more. Now in summer seasons, what do we have? We have long days and short nights. So as you go towards the North Pole, the duration of daytime increases. Okay, days will be longer and longer and longer as your latitude goes on increasing. Now at particular latitude, at the latitude of 66.5° north and 66.5 degrees south, these two latitudes are important latitudes, just like Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. Why? Above these latitudes, let's say it is summer season in the northern hemisphere, above this 66.5° north latitude, there will be 6 months continuous daylight in the northern hemisphere. That is, any latitude above 66.5° north latitude, above it, more than it, that all the places at those latitudes will have continuous 6 months of summer season. That is 6 months of daytime, no night time. There will be no sunset. Okay, so this makes 66.5° north latitude the maximum latitude at which the sun will rise above the horizon and set. There will be sunrise, both sunrise and sunset. But once you go above this latitude, there will be only sunrise, no sunset. So this is the latitude 66. Next, UTC of sunrise on 6th December at Canada, Winnipeg is what? So we will use Air Almanac calendar from chapter number 2. It is December month. So go to the last table. 6, okay. So 6, sunrise 6 December. So table number 1, sunrise 6 December on page 450, Oxford book. So we do not have 6 December, we have 7 December. We will check that column. 7 December and the latitude is 49 degree 50 minutes north, approximately 50 degree north latitude. So 50 degree north latitude and 7th of December. So this time 0743 is the sunrise time on 7th of December at latitude 50 degree north, approximately 50 degree north. So I'm writing here LMT is 0743. Now we want this time to be in UTC time. Now there are two longitudes in front of us. 97 degree 30 minutes west longitude and 0 degree prime meridian. Now west longitudes are behind UTC time. So what formula are you going to use? LMT time at this longitude is equal to UTC time minus the time difference between them. Okay, what is time difference between them? Formula is D long divided by 15. D long is 97 degree 30 minutes. So 97 degree 30 minutes divided by 15 degree. That is 6 hours 30 minutes. 6 hours 30 minutes. So 0743 is equal to UTC minus 6 hours 30 minutes. Therefore, UTC time will be equal to 0743 plus 0630, 14 hours 13 minutes. 14 hours 13 minutes. Okay. So sunrise at Canada in Canada will happen later or much after sunrise happens at UTC meridian, prime meridian. So the correct option here will be option Charlie, closest option. When it is 10 o'clock standard time in Kuwait, what is the standard time in Angola? So standard time Kuwait is 10 o'clock. Now we know that Kuwait is to the east of is in Middle East and which is to the east of prime meridian. So go to chapter number 2. Use the table number 1 which has a list of places which are to the east of prime meridian and therefore the timings are ahead of UTC time, fast on UTC. So Kuwait is 3 hours ahead of UTC time. Standard time in Kuwait is UTC plus 3 hours. So UTC will be standard time minus 3. 10 hours minus 3 hours. So that is 0700. Now convert this UTC into standard time in Angola. Now Angola is a country which is also to the east of prime meridian, if I am not wrong. Yeah. So over here, Angola is 1 hour ahead of UTC. Standard time in Angola is UTC plus 1. So standard time is 0700 plus 0100 0800. So option Bravo is the correct option. So it's a two-step process. Next, aircraft takes off from place Guam at 23 hours standard time, 30th April. Next, it goes to Los Angeles after 11 hours 15 minutes. Flight time is 11 hours 15 minutes. What is the standard time and date of arrival at California? So I have explained this when I solved this kind of sums from Oxford RK Bali, that this sums must be always solved in UTC, work in UTC first. And then in the final step, convert that UTC time into standard time if required, or LMT time. So now departure time is 23 hours 30th April. Now convert this standard departure time into UTC time. Now Guam is a place which is to the west of prime meridian. It is to the west of prime meridian. Or is it east? Yeah, correction. Guam is a place which is to the east of prime meridian. Okay, by 10 hours. By 10 hours. So I'm writing it here. Guam is to the east of prime meridian. Okay. Therefore, standard time in Guam will be ahead of UTC time. The formula will be standard time equals to UTC plus the time difference is 10 hours. So UTC time will be standard time minus 10 hours, which is 23 minus 10. So UTC will be 23 hours minus 10 hours. That is 13 hours. Afternoon 1 o'clock. The day will be the same, 30th of April. So right here, departure time in terms of UTC is 1300, 30th April. Now come to destination. Landing time USA will be departure time in UTC plus flight time. Is departure time in UTC 13 hours, flight time 11 hours 15 minutes, 24 hours 15 minutes. So it is more than 24. So subtract 24 again. You will get 15 minutes. That means 15 minutes past midnight. That means you have entered a new day, the next day. So this was 30th April. The next day will be 1st of May. 1st of May. Okay, that is UTC time, UTC landing time. UTC landing time is midnight 15, 1st May. Now convert this to standard time. Now Los Angeles is a place which is to the west of prime meridian. So it will be behind UTC time. It will be behind UTC time. California is 8 hours behind UTC. 8 hours behind UTC. So standard time in California is UTC minus 8. So 0015 minus 0800 is minus 7 hours 45 minutes plus 24 hours is 16 hours 45 minutes. This minus sign denotes or signifies you have gone back to the previous day. So this will be again 30th of April, 16 hours 45 minutes. Now the question states that summertime rules apply. So over here, the note, read this note number 2. Summertime daylight saving time, 1 hour fast on the time given. So you will have to add this 1 hour. Okay, so standard time daylight will be 16 hours 45 minutes plus 1 hour, 17 hours 45 minutes, and the day will be 30th of April. So this is your final answer. Next, when it is 13 hours standard time in Australia, what is the standard time in Hawaii, USA? So standard time in Australia is equal to 13 hours. Now Australia is to the east of prime meridian. Therefore, standard time in Australia will be more than UTC time by some difference of time. So again, table number 1, Australia Queensland is 10 hours fast on UTC, ahead of UTC. So plus 10. Now UTC will be standard time minus 10, that is 3 hours in the 3 in the morning. Now convert this UTC time into standard time in USA. Now Hawaii is a place which is west of prime meridian. So standard time in Hawaii will be behind UTC time by some difference. Now go to table number 3. So Hawaii is 10 hours behind UTC. So UTC minus 10. So 0300 minus 10 hours will be minus 7 hours plus 24 is equal to 17, is equal to 17. So standard time in Hawaii, USA is evening 17, previous day, previous day. Okay, previous day. Next, question 27. What is the meaning of the term standard time? It is the time set by the legal authorities for a country or part of a country. Another term for UTC is GMT. Time related to prime meridian is UTC time or GMT time. It is constant at all points on the earth. That is wrong. UTC is the time which is constant everywhere. What is the local mean time if UTC is so and so? Now this is west longitude. So west longitudes are behind UTC time, right? So this is, let's say this is your 123 degree 45 minutes west longitude. This is your prime meridian. Now any longitude which is to the west, okay, any longitude which is to the west of prime meridian or any other meridian will be behind in time, because west longitudes are always behind than east longitudes. Okay, so LMT time at this longitude will be UTC time minus behind, so minus D long divided by 15. UTC time is 22. The difference between these two longitudes is 123 degree 45 minutes divided by 15 degree. 23 degree 45 minutes divided by 15 is 8 hours 15 minutes. So 22 hours minus 8 hours 15 minutes is 13 hours 45 minutes. Option C. Main reason that day and night throughout the year have different duration is due to the seasons. Or in summers we have long days, in winters long nights. So the changing of distance wrong, the changing of rotational speed wrong, the changing of the shape of the orbit wrong, the inclination of the ecliptic to the equator, yes, 23.5 degree. Next, question number 30. In which 2 months of the year is the difference between transit of the apparent sun and mean sun the greatest? So it is during February and November when the difference between mean sun and apparent sun the greatest. It is called equation of time. So with this question, I'll stop here. I will do the next 10 questions in my next video lecture. Keep watching all the lectures that I have done on time, Oxford, R.K. Bali, Keith Williams, okay, even from revision questions in Oxford Gen Math book, mid-course test. Do watch all the videos and make your concept of time very, very strong and score maximum marks when it comes to time questions in your exams. All the best. Subscribe to this channel, share this video with your friends, and do hit the like button of this video lecture. I'll see you.